There's a secret skill that only a few men ever truly unlock, one that transforms mild interest into full-blown obsession. We're not talking about cheap pickup tricks or shallow manipulation. This is about understanding the deep psychological mechanics that make a woman think about you nonstop. Obsession isn't created on the surface. It's crafted through anticipation, emotional stimulation, and strategic mystery. And once you start playing this game the right way, there's no going back. 1. Turn mystery into a weapon. Mystery creates emotional gravity. When a woman can't quite figure you out, her curiosity turns into fascination. Most men overshare early on, hoping transparency builds connection. But what actually captures her mind is the unknown. You want her to feel like there's always something more to learn about you. Drop hints about parts of your life without explaining everything. Maybe you disappear on weekends for something meaningful, but you never tell her what it is. Now she's wondering. Now she's thinking. Humans are wired to seek answers. When we don't get closure, our minds keep returning to the open loop. This psychological tension creates an itch, and you become the scratch she can't find. The key is to be present and emotionally available while keeping some parts of yourself just out of reach. A mysterious man who listens, who cares, but who isn't entirely known, becomes unforgettable. She won't even understand why she's hooked, but it's because you're giving her something rare, the thrill of curiosity and the hunger for more. 2. Use emotional roller coasters to create addiction. We don't just get addicted to people, we get addicted to how they make us feel. Emotional highs and lows create a rush, similar to what our brains experience with addictive substances. That's why people often stay tied to turbulent relationships. The chaos releases dopamine. You can use this, ethically, by learning to create contrast. Light and dark, tension and release. Start with playful teasing, then open up about something real. Challenge her in one moment, then surprise her with a tender gesture. This creates emotional waves that keep her hooked. The key is balance. You're not trying to create instability, just emotional variety. If every interaction is smooth and predictable, it becomes forgettable. But when there's depth and intensity, she starts craving the next moment with you. This dynamic makes you memorable. Her emotions won't flatten around you, they'll spike. And that spike is where obsession begins. Think of it as a rhythm: tension, emotion, release. Repeat. It keeps her on her toes, deeply engaged, and subconsciously hooked. 3. Trigger. Her fear of missing out, FOMO. FOMO isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful psychological driver. When people think they might miss out on something valuable, their desire for it skyrockets. If a woman sees you as someone who's in high demand, her brain shifts into competitive mode. She starts wondering if she has access to something other women want but can't have. That creates urgency. You don't have to brag or show off. Just drop subtle cues. Maybe you mention that your weekends have been booked lately, or that people keep reaching out. When done right, this isn't arrogance, it's social proof. You're signaling that you're valuable and selective. She realizes your time isn't handed out freely, and that makes her want it more. Humans are wired to want what's scarce. If she senses she might lose her shot with you, or that others are drawn to you, her desire intensifies. It's not manipulation. It's understanding emotional triggers. You're positioning yourself as a man with options, and in turn, you become the option she doesn't want to lose. Make her feel like she could miss out on something truly rare. 4. Control the narrative. She builds about you. People don't fall in love with who you are, they fall in love with the story they create about you. That's why controlling the narrative is so powerful. You can shape how she sees you by being intentional with your words, your actions, and the way you frame your life. Speak in ways that show your uniqueness. You're not just another guy. You're someone with depth, vision, and purpose. Talk about your passions with emotion. Share your beliefs, not to impress, but to inspire. Subtly position yourself as the kind of man she rarely encounters, one who's grounded, ambitious, and self-aware. The more distinct your identity becomes in her mind, the harder it is to replace you. This isn't about acting, it's about showing her the best, most grounded version of who you truly are. Most guys fade into the background because they don't offer anything unique. When you frame yourself as a man of substance, someone who stands apart, she creates a mental pedestal for you, and once you're on that pedestal, obsession isn't far behind. 5. Be unpredictably consistent. This might sound like a paradox, but it's magnetic. You want to be consistent in your core, your values, your reliability, your emotional strength, but unpredictable in your expressions. That means she knows you're solid, but she never knows what sweet or exciting thing you'll do next. This blend of safety and surprise keeps her emotionally engaged. Maybe you always say goodnight, but instead of texting, one night you send a voice message. Or maybe you take her to her favorite spot, but this time you add an unexpected gift. These small shifts catch her attention and make her feel seen. Her brain gets the consistency it craves, but the novelty it loves. When a woman feels secure with you but never bored, you become irreplaceable. Predictable men are forgettable. Wildly inconsistent men are exhausting. But if you live in that sweet spot, where she knows she can count on your character but can't predict your next move, you become the man she can't stop thinking about. That's where real obsession begins. 6. Speak to her hidden desires. Most people don't articulate what they deeply want. They don't even fully understand it themselves. That's why the man who can tap into a woman's unspoken desires stands out so powerfully. If she values emotional connection, don't just talk, listen. If she's drawn to ambition, let her witness your grind. Reflect back to her the qualities she secretly yearns for in a man. It's not about pretending, it's about awareness. When you sense what moves her, what inspires her, excites her, makes her feel safe, you subtly become the embodiment of that. You become the man who just gets her. That alone is enough to build emotional fixation. This operates beneath the surface. She may not even realize why she feels pulled toward you, but it's because you've met her at an emotional level that most people never reach. You're not chasing her approval, you're aligning with her essence. And when a woman feels that kind of alignment, obsession isn't a choice, it's instinctive. 7. Mix subtle doubt with reassurance. Creating a push-pull effect is one of the oldest yet most effective psychological tactics. People become emotionally hooked when they feel slightly unsure, then comforted. You're not playing games, you're creating dynamic tension. If she feels too certain of you too soon, the thrill fades. But if she's slightly unsure, then you pull her back in with warmth. You create emotional gravity. This doesn't mean ignoring her or being cold. It means sometimes pulling back just a little. Skip a text, delay a response, then follow up with something thoughtful. That pattern creates anticipation and emotional payoff. Her brain starts tying those rewards to you. You're no longer just a guy she likes. You're a source of emotional energy. The human mind fixates on unresolved experiences. When she doesn't know exactly where she stands, but you give her enough to stay hopeful, she stays emotionally invested. That tension keeps her engaged, curious, and emotionally drawn to you in ways she won't even understand. 8. Use absence to intensify connection. Absence done right doesn't just build attraction, it multiplies it. After an emotionally high moment, taking a short step back can leave a lasting impression. When you disappear briefly, right after a great date, a deep conversation, or an intimate moment, you create emotional vacuum. And vacuums demand to be filled. That space you leave behind? It gets filled with her thoughts of you. She'll replay the interaction, wonder what you're thinking, and anticipate your return. It heightens the emotional value of your presence. The trick is timing. Don't vanish too soon and don't stay away too long. Just enough to make her miss you. Just enough to stir emotional craving. Anticipation activates the brain's pleasure centers. When she looks forward to your next move, your return hits twice as hard. You become a presence she longs for, not just physically, but emotionally. That's the kind of pull most men never create. 9. Build an aura of exclusivity. People value what feels rare. If every part of you is easily accessible, it's taken for granted. But when you're selectively available, she begins to see you as exclusive, and that exclusivity creates desire. When she's with you, make her feel like she's the only woman in the world. Be present, attentive, locked in. But once the moment ends, return to your own life, your mission, your world. This contrast sends a powerful message. You're not desperate for her time or attention, but you choose to give it. That makes your presence feel special, even sacred. It flips a switch in her mind. She realizes she doesn't just want you, she wants to earn you. Psychologically, scarcity increases perceived value. When something is hard to get, we chase it more. You don't need to say it outright. Just live it. You're a man with priorities, discipline, and standards. You're not always available. And that fact alone makes you 10 times more attractive in her eyes. 10. Embed yourself into her daily routine. Obsession isn't built in big moments. It's built in small daily triggers. When you become part of her routine, you start living in her mind rent-free. It could be a song you both love, a phrase only you two share, or a simple habit you introduce into her life. The more she experiences these daily reminders, the stronger her emotional tie to you becomes. This works because of behavioral conditioning. The more something reminds her of you, the more often she thinks of you. If every time she hears that song or wears that sweater she's reminded of you, you become a consistent part of her internal world, even when you're not around. You want her to feel your presence even in your absence. That emotional echo keeps her coming back. She starts to feel incomplete without you, not because you completed her, but because you became a steady part of her emotional rhythm. That's not just attraction, that's psychological anchoring, that's obsession. Final thoughts. These strategies are powerful, but they come with responsibility. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding deeper emotional dynamics and using them with respect. When done right, they don't just make her obsessed. They build a bond she won't want to break. If you found this valuable, let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready for more insights into attraction and masculine influence, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching.